when I got started as a Jira admin and we got Jira Service Desk, we started with IT, but we quickly expanded to all service teams. So the portal kind of looked like this rather than HR or finance or facilities managing all of their requests through a mailbox. They had a portal where they could manage, track, assign requests. I don't know if anyone here currently uses a mailbox and color codes their emails to assign them to different people, but that's what our HR team was doing. And it was messy. Mailboxes grew. It's hard for IT to manage. There's no tracking, no accountability on these issues. And a lot fell through the cracks because so many requests were coming in. So the solution here, Jira Service Management. You can have different portals here. You can ask a question. You don't even have to go into the portals. It will direct you where you're going. To start here, I'll show you what a service desk might look like. Theming obviously can change, branding can change to your company. But here we have a couple different options. Maybe we just go into our general questions. They just have a general question for HR. Maybe they need to update their personal details. They want to recognize an employee. Something confidential has come up. These all can be requests on the service desk. And once again, you can ask the questions you want. So just a general question, you can require certain fields. You can create these forms to gather the information you need. I see it in IT all the time as the most common use case, but people just say, I have a problem. Can you help me? And then you have to figure out the problem. We're going to get rid of that figuring out the problem step by requiring them to tell us before they even contact us. They have to submit a form. The use case we brought up here is on new employee onboarding. Let's fill out all the information about this person. And it's going to trigger a lot of automation on the back end, not just for HR, but IT, facilities, security, various different teams, which all could be housed within Jira. They will get tickets created based on the information you fill out here. If we go into backend here and look at this queue, this is another way to view the issues. We were looking at the issues in the board view here. This is the queue view. It's a little more condensed. You don't get that card view, but you can customize which fields you see here. We have a couple different employee onboardings here. Let's open Jennifer Evans. And here we can, once again, see all the information that was submitted. We can see what region they're in, what office they're in, employee type, etc., and kind of see the relationship between all of these different aspects. So it's not just HR that's involved in hiring. It is, legal that might be there, SecOps, IT, facilities. We have all these linked items that can be created when a request comes in. And they're all linked with the HR ticket being the centerpiece. All comments, all details are on here. Here are all the assets that are associated with Jennifer Evans. As you onboard people, as you have asset management, you can see what laptops, what manager, what buildings they belong to, what departments, and you almost get an expanded org chart of everything related to this employee, giving you as much context, saving you time because you don't have to go out and ask IT. And once again, this follows its own workflow. Certain statuses within this workflow can't be completed till legal completes their ticket, until IT creates a laptop. We can also move the HR issue through its own workflow when IT creates their accounts, has the laptop done. We can move it to an in progress status or IT's complete status. Really, it is customizable to whatever your needs are